This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Irene Witt. Professional photos coming soon. Come check out this wonderful cabin in a quiet cul-de-sac that offers 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Open living room/kitchen with a split bedroom floor plan that makes it ideal for families or vacation renting. Family room/game room/exercise room on terrace level, office space on terrace level, whole house generator, new roof, new paint/stain, circular driveway, garage, fenced backyard for the kids and pets, and new appliances, too. The resort has something for everyone with 3 swimming pools, 1 indoors, fitness center, game room, basketball courts, putt-putt area, tennis courts, picnic area, pavilions, pickleball court, fishing lake and river access.